Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious popsicles. First, select your favorite fruits, such as berries or mangoes, and a liquid like juice or coconut water. You'll also need a sweetener, perhaps a few tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, depending on your fruit's natural sweetness. Make sure your fruit is perfectly ripe for the most vibrant flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly refreshing treat. Now combine your prepared fruit, liquid, and sweetener in a blender. You can blend until completely smooth for a uniform texture, or pulse briefly to leave small pieces of fruit for a delightful bite. Once blended, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top. Then, gently insert your popsicle sticks, ensuring they stand upright. With your molds filled and sticks in place, transfer them to the freezer. Allow them to freeze completely, which usually takes about 4 to 6 hours, or simply leave them overnight for best results. When you're ready to enjoy, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen the popsicle, making it easy to gently pull it out by the stick. Don't be afraid to get creative with your popsicle flavors. Try layering different fruit purees like strawberry and kiwi for a beautiful and delicious striped effect. You can also add a hint of fresh herbs such as mint or basil to elevate the taste. For an extra creamy treat, blend in a spoonful of yogurt or coconut milk. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing popsicles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.